A reliable, economically competitive and environmentally sustainable electricity system is the base of a modern society. We are living in a dynamic global power environment and demand is growing. Elko Maric provides services in construction and equipment installment in power delivery systems and fulfillment of its customers' demands in wide area of electrical systems and installations in public environment, business and residential facilities. Our aim is constant development and adaptation to global changes. Elko Maric.